Hey, what's up, Baron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Lazada affiliate program, and maybe you're wondering, is it legit? Can you really make money by reselling Lazada products? What is this all about? And is this a good way for you to make money if you're in Southeast Asia? Or maybe there's a better way for you to make money, okay? Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more, 100% from home, go ahead and click the link right below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are good, some of them are so a lot of them though are a big waste of time. So let's check out the Lazada affiliate program to find out if this is a good way for you to make money or not, okay? Now, all affiliate marketing is you're basically referring people to a specific link. So you could come on Lazada, you can join the affiliate program, and you can resell any of these products. So for example, if I wanted to resell this high pressure water spray, right? And when somebody clicks on my link, I will earn a percentage of the commission of the sale, and Lazada will pay you directly. And that's all affiliate marketing is. You're just referring other people to products on the website, okay? Now, if you want to join their program, you can join it through the Involve Asia website, okay? So you come through Involve Asia, and the biggest thing that you need to know is how much does Lazada pay when somebody buys through your link, right? That's the most important thing, because if the commission is good, then sometimes it's worth promoting, but if it's really bad, then you have to decide whether or not this is a good way for you to make money, okay? Now, with Lazada, they pay up to 12% commissions on the price of the product. So for example, if the product is 10 ringgit, okay, and you make a 12% commission, well, how much did you make? Well, you made $1.20, right? It's not much, all right? Now, here's the problem though. They cap it at $8 per conversion. That means that the maximum amount of money you can make per sale is 8 ringgit, 8 Malaysian ringgit. So you do the calculations based on where you're based in Southeast Asia. That is pretty bad for an affiliate program. Now, that might sound like a lot, right? But I can tell you, I've been doing affiliate marketing for 16 years, it's really, really low, okay? Because if you do the math on that, let's just say you wanted to earn 10,000 US dollars, and I do everything in USD, okay? Because affiliate marketing is an international business, so you should be doing it in US dollars too. Don't do it in your local currency because it's really not that much if you do it in your local currency, right? Let's just say you wanted to make 10,000 US dollars a month. What's that? Let's do it, average conversion rate, that's about 40,000 ringgit a month, right? Let's divide that by 8 ringgit. Divide by 8 ringgit, it means that you have to make 5,000 sales a month for you to make 10,000 US dollars with affiliate marketing. That is freaking impossible, all right? To make 5,000 sales a month is very, very hard. So that's why, even though Lazada has an affiliate program, which is cool, right? The thing is, a lot of these big e-commerce websites have an affiliate program. Lazada has one, Shopee has one, eBay has one, Etsy has one, Amazon has one. There are a lot of e-commerce platforms out there that have an affiliate program. The big problem is a lot of them pay very, very little commissions. Usually it's only 3% to 5% commission. So Amazon is one of the biggest affiliate networks in the world, physical e-commerce platform that has an affiliate program. It pays one of the worst, 3% to 5%. You can't make money that way, okay? Now Lazada has up to 12%. It doesn't mean that they're going to pay commissions. All of them will be 12%, but the problem is they cap it at 8 ringgit per conversion. That's pretty shit, to be honest, right? Like we did the math just now. You have to make 5,000 sales, at a maximum of 8 ringgit per conversion in order for you to make 10,000 USD profit a month. It's very, very little. Even if we halved it, $5,000 a month, you still have to make 2,500 sales a month. It's very, very difficult to do that, okay? Now, that's not the only problem. The other problem is that there is a requirement, okay? So in order for you to sign up with Involve Asia to be a part of the Lazada opportunity, you have to have quite a big following on social media. So you either have to have an Instagram or Twitter account with 5,000 followers or more. That's difficult, okay? Or you have to have a Facebook page of at least 5,000 followers. That's not so hard, right? TikTok, at least 50,000 followers. That's quite difficult. That means that if you're a beginner, then this particular program through Involve Asia may not be the best way for you to sign up, okay? Now, you can promote around the region, but it's mainly Southeast Asia. Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, and Singapore. And it's a cookie period of only 7 days, which is very little because most cookie periods, for example, Amazon, is a little bit longer than 7 days. That means someone clicks on your link, and if they come back and they just buy straight from the platform, you will still make the sale because their browser is cookied with a little cookie link. Okay, just to remember that they've actually landed through your affiliate link. So overall, I would say it's a pretty bad affiliate program. All right. Sure. Can you make a little bit of money? Yeah, you can make a little bit of money. That's it. You can make a little bit of money. Now, let me put it this way. If you're an influencer or you're already a content creator that has a huge following, okay, so let's just say you're a TikTok creator or you're an Instagram creator and you've got like 500,000 followers, then sure, if you do a video and you say, hey, if you want to buy this little bag from my Lazada platform right here, you know, or I've got this, you know, I love this little part, you know, perfume, I use it every single day, here's my Lazada affiliate link, just go and buy. And you have 1,000 people buying from your link, sure, you'll make a little bit of money that way. Okay, that's not so bad. It's kind of like a throwaway sale, what I call a throwaway sale, because you're already a big influencer. But if you're a beginner and you want to come here and you want to, you know, replace your full-time income, or you want to make some additional side income, doing it this way is very, very difficult for you to make a lot of money. All right, if you start from scratch and you wanted to start, you know, a new Instagram account or something like that, or a new Twitter account or TikTok account, you're going to make very, very little money from this particular affiliate program. Okay, because of the way it's set up, because they limit how much you can earn. I mean, capping it at 8 ringgit per conversion is kind of annoying, to be honest, right? I've been doing this for a long time, so I've seen hundreds of affiliate programs. This is not a good one. Okay, 8 ringgit per conversion, capping it. I've never heard of an affiliate program being capped. Usually it's just a percentage, right? And up to 12% for a physical product e-commerce website is actually not bad. For example, TikTok Shop, 10% to 15%, but it's still capped, okay? And the problem is most products on Lazada, they're very cheap. Like TikTok Shop, they're very, very cheap. So you buy something for, you know, 50 ringgit, and then you multiply that by 12% commissions, you're making 6 ringgit for a 50 ringgit sale. Okay, it's very little, 6 ringgit per sale. That might sound like a lot in Malaysian ringgit, right? But if you do the math on it, it's really not that much money, okay? And you have to have a very, very big presence to generate a lot of sales. Now, the other problem is that a lot of people will teach you to build like a blog, right? Or a website, what they call an authority website. And they tell you to do search engine optimization. You write articles about, you know, things like, you know, the Apple iPhone, or you know, maybe it's a technology website. You talk about the G-Shock watch right here. I mean, look at this. It's 22 ringgit for the G-Shock watch. How much money are you going to make with that? 22 ringgit times 12%. You're making 2 ringgit and 64 cents. I mean, how are you going to get rich like that? You can't. Okay, and that is the problem with some affiliate programs. Okay, so what I would say is with the Lazada affiliate program, I think it's pretty bad. All right, and the reason why it's bad is a couple of things. The first thing is that you're selling physical products, and with physical products from a website like Lazada that focuses on cheap goods, right? They can't pay you that much because the price point is very low. It's in ringgit as well, and they have a pretty low commission rate here, and they cap it at 8 ringgit, which I think is the worst part here, right? Which makes it very, very difficult for you as an affiliate to make money. So what is the solution, right? The solution is to sell digital products, not physical stuff. So I highly recommend that you don't sell physical stuff like Lazada, Shopee, Amazon. These are all bad affiliate programs, okay? Because the commission rates are so low and the price points are so low, and as an affiliate, especially as a beginner, you're gonna make very, very little money. All right, very, very little money. So what you need to do instead is you need to sell digital courses, digital training, digital downloads, digital software, right? It's all in US dollar. Usually the commission rates are a lot higher. So instead of 12%, which is actually quite high for a physical affiliate program, you want to sell digital, the commission rates are 40 to 70%. Think about that. It's very, very different, okay? So let's just say you sell a product for 100 US dollars, and the commission rate's 40%, times 40%, you just made 40 US dollars with one sale. Let's convert that into ringgit. Depends on where you are. You could be in Singapore, you could be in the Philippines, it doesn't matter, right? But let me just convert that, right? 40 US dollars times 4 right now, that's 160 ringgit. That is way better than an 8 ringgit commission, correct? Right? And that's if the product is $100. What if the product was 500 US dollars? What if the product was $1,000 US? And you might be thinking, well, Aaron, that sounds like a lot of money. But the thing is that when you're selling courses and you're selling it in the right way, there will be people that are willing to spend $500 US on a course. There will be people that are willing to spend $1,000 on a course that will help them to change their life, depending on which niche you decide to sell in, okay? So affiliate marketing is an amazing industry, but you have to understand which affiliate program to sell. And I think that the Lazada affiliate program is pretty bad, to be honest. It's pretty standard for a physical e-commerce type platform, right? But I think this cap here and only allowing people that have big social media followings is the problem, which makes it even worse than a lot of the other affiliate programs out there. So I would say if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, stay away from the Lazada affiliate program unless you're already a big influencer. Okay, so that means you already have a big YouTube channel, you already have a big TikTok channel. That means you're not a beginner. If you're not a beginner, sure, sign up for the affiliate Lazada affiliate program. Do a couple of throwaway sales, like maybe you like a handbag, or you like this pair of shoes right here, or maybe you use a particular type of lipstick and you're like, hey guys, I use this lipstick, you can get it on Lazada if you want to check it out, and you've got like 1 million followers, then sure, you'll make like a couple of ringgit and maybe you get a few thousand sales, then it makes sense, right? But if you're a beginner growing it from scratch, this type of income model will not work for you because it's going to be very, very difficult for you to make a lot of money. Okay, I hope that makes sense, right? So that's my review on the Lazada affiliate program. I think it depends on who you are. If you're a big creator, sure, you can check it out. If you're a beginner, I think this is a very, very bad way for you to generate income. Okay, now if you're here watching this video and you're like, well, Aaron, how do I make money then, right? Now on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, all sorts of different affiliate programs, different business models, different programs, different courses, different software, different websites, different apps, right? Different strategies. And out of all of them, there's one that I used to completely quit my full-time job in 2019. I 5 times my old corporate salary. I earn multiple 5 figures in US dollars every single month. I work 100% from home. I think this is the best way for anyone that wants to make money online. If you're a beginner, if you've never made a cent online, it doesn't matter where you live, by the way. You could live in Southeast Asia, or you could live in the US, you could live in Europe, you could live in Africa, you could live in India. It doesn't matter. This is a way for you to earn 100% from home in USD. I think this is one of the best strategies. If you want to check it out, click the link all the way at the bottom. I've got a free masterclass that you can check out if you want, okay? Wish you all the best. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Lazada affiliate program, and I hope to see you on another video review soon. Take care.